relatively small nation with fragile environment and democracy is a description of the Maldives. Global warming effects on this nation have created a volatile situation. Nearly 1,200 islands in the Indian Ocean are comprised by the Maldives. All the mass combined of these islands are approximately 115 square miles. In the Maldives, climate change and rising sea levels are a huge concern, which is only 8 feet above sea level at its highest point. As global warming causes the polar ice caps melt and sea levels to rise, the Maldives' entire existence is in jeopardy. As the glaciers melt, sea level rises, causing islands like the Maldives to get flooded and be underwater. The sea level continues to increase each time more, so it is estimated that the Maldives are completely covered in water by the approximate years. The form of pollution is created by air pollution all over the world. Many sources state that the two main countries that pollute the most in the world are USA and China. These countries increase the level of air pollution because of their high rate of factories, transportation, and many other factors that affect the oxygen. Because of this, glaciers melt, as I said before, creating a big water source that makes the sea rise. This is definitely a global issue because it is making islands and countries all over the world being negatively affected, and it has created many problems around the atmosphere.
We need producers to design packaging so that it's more recyclable and there's less waste. We also need producers to help cover the cost of keeping their product out of the ocean. They also need to study the water. They need to treat the sewage and and the wastewaters. There needs to be a system for the boat so that there is no oil spills.
The pollution is created by power plants and etc. This creates energy for the people and uses it to make lives easier. Yet it has a dangerous climate change and it can destroy habitats. Going on top again, the pollution, as I said, made the mainly power plants and it releases toxic gases into the air. This creates different weather patterns in the Republic of Maldives. The ocean rises and floods the area. This environmental change can affect the economy trade routes, making the weather harsher. For example, in Venezuela, there is a lightning storm that rages 300 plus days a year. But going on topic, the climate changes in Maldives is that the water rises. This floods the areas and its training outposts and boats that they use to trade overseas. When the flood happens, the Republic of Maldives is at a roadblock since the boats won't be able to go out to any countries to bring back other goods from that country.